Number 11 question in past bar exam 2024. Camila surprised her legitimate husband, Sean, in the act of sexual intercourse with his paramour, Sabrina. Immediately, Sabrina stood up and jumped out of the window. Camila took a .45 caliber firearm from her drawer. So, Camila chased and caught up with Sabrina. Camila aimed her firearm against Sabrina. However, Sabrina snatched the firearm and shot Camila to death. At the trial, Sabrina invoked self-defense. Did Sabrina act in self-defense to justify killing of Camila? Explain. Answer, no. Sabrina did not act in self-defense to justify the killing of Camila. Chapter 2, Justifying Circumstances and Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. Article 11, Paragraph 1 of the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines states, justifying circumstances. The following do not incur any criminal liability. 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights, provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Thus, the third element is lacking. In People of the Philippines versus Mario Laplap, GR number 150-250-895, June 16, 2021, it states, proximate cause is that cause which is natural and continuous sequence, unbroken by an efficient intervening cause, produces the injury and without which the result would not have occurred. The proximate legal cause is that acting first and producing the injury, acting either immediately as by setting other events in motion, all constituting a natural and continuous chain of events, each having a close causal connection with its immediate predecessor. Article 247, death or physical injuries inflicted under exceptional circumstances. Revised Penal Code. Any legally married person who, having surprised his spouse in the act of committing sexual intercourse with another person, shall kill any of them or both of them in the act or immediately thereafter, or shall inflict upon them any serious physical injury, shall suffer the penalty of this thereof. If he shall inflict upon them physical injuries of any other kind, he shall be exempt from punishment. These rules shall be applicable under the same circumstances to parents with respect to their daughters under 18 years of age and their seducer while the daughters are living with their parents. Any person who shall promote or facilitate the prostitution of his wife or daughter, or shall otherwise have consented to the infidelity of the other spouse, shall not be entitled to the benefits of this article. So that's it. That's our answer for number 11 question in past bar exam in criminal law. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. God bless and good day. Have a blessed Sunday.